Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what I have here. I have a Samsung One remote and a Samsung TV in the background. And for some reason, sometimes the Samsung remotes stop pairing or connecting to your TV. Well, today I'll show you an easy way to repair your remote with your TV. So this is pretty easy. All you need to do is have your TV on and press your return and your play pause button simultaneously for about 5 seconds. So we'll go ahead and do that. And then on your TV, it'll be searching for device. It'll be connecting to your smart remote. And then once it's connected to your TV, it says pairing completed, and I'll show you the battery charge. And you're all set. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen and even consider subscribing to my channel. I have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.